We got the Lovers by Pharrell. It dropped today. I'm shooting this video. It is June 19, 2024. And this is a new release by Louis Vuitton. The collab with Pharrell Williams. Let's jump straight into it.
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, I don't wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today, y'all, we are going to be taking a look at the newly released Louis Vuitton Lover Scent by Pharrell Williams. Now, what we'll do in today's video is we'll unbox it. We'll get our first impressions right here. And then, of course, like we do over here, I will wear this all tonight and tomorrow, and then I'll come back and give you guys my thoughts and opinions. So this video won't drop until the 20th of June, although I'm shooting this on the 19th of June because I want to give you guys my full thoughts and opinions. We'll also go over the note breakdown and everything about this one right here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. If you guys are new to the channel though, before we get all the way into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, head over to Instagram, follow your boy at DaRetroWizKid. Now, this is my first time ever ordering from Louis V online. Now, normally I go to the store to pick up all my LVs, but the rep that I work with was actually not working at the time when I was reaching out trying to get this on the pre-order. So I'm not really sure how this went in Seattle as far as the pre-order, but I do know that according to some groups that I'm in over on Facebook, stores only got up to 5 of these. Then I ended up calling online and I spoke with a representative, and the funny thing, she was like, yo, your birthday coming up. And I was all like, yeah, my birthday is coming up. She was like, yo, man, you know, happy birthday, let's get you this scent, you know. So she was like, we'll make sure we get that sent over to you and everything like that. And I mean, this is nothing really crazy right here, but they did say happy birthday from Louis Vuitton right there. I messed with it. It's a vibe. Y'all already know the deal. And yeah, this is nothing really too crazy. You know, I don't normally see stuff like this because I normally just go in store and I get like a bag and everything. But oh, the box is dope, man. Box is real dope. You know, I love the box presentation. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. I love the box presentation. This is really dope. This is actually a really nice box that they sent over. So right here, we have the Louis Vuitton box right here. And I will say, like I said, this is a very nice display. It actually looks better than what you get in store. Now, inside, you guys can see, we got our box right here. We're gonna pop this out right here, bam, bam. And let's get the unboxing this thing. Got the little Louis Vuitton right here. Matter of fact, I really ain't tripping off of all of that, but you know, bam, man, we got that Lovers right here, man. Now, I was super excited to see that Pharrell was doing this collab right here, and I just had to get my hands on it. Now, the crazy thing is, they gave me samples of stuff that I did not ask for. I didn't want any of these samples. So I'm gonna have to reach out to them to find out what's the deal with that. But Rose des Vents and Lamicetine, which I already have a full bottle of this, and you know, I didn't want this sample. I asked for different samples. So hey, Louis V, what's going on with that? Now let's get into the actual bottle, man. So right here on the side, we do have to crack this open, and I've seen how this bottle's been looking online, so I'm super excited to see it in person. So now they saying that this joint right here is supposed to smell like the sun or remind people of the sun. So right here, here's a nice little bust down of the Louis V Lovers actual tube, and you do have the gold right here on the top as well, which I think is a nice little touch. I don't think that's like that on any of the other ones. And yes, man, now it has kind of like this iridescent look to the bottle, and I'll give you guys a nice close-up on it. I'm probably gonna take it outside and get some nice little shots of it and everything. Let's just talk about what we really want to do, man. We really want to smell this joint, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna hit this joint real quick. Yes, sir. I'm gonna hit this side. What we gonna do is see, I'm gonna put the notes up for you guys, and we just going to be, it was created by Jaquez Cavalier and Camille Cavalier. The top notes are bergamot and galbanum. Middle notes are solar notes and ginger. Base notes are sandalwood and cedarwood. Now, Lovers by Louis Vuitton is a fragrance that embodies metaphorical yet nostalgic scent of the sun. Created in collaboration with Pharrell Williams and master perfumer Jaquez Cavalier Belletrude, this scent symbolizes possibility and uplifting energy. It features notes of galbanum, ginger, capturing the essence of sunlight and the warmth that it brings. Now I'm not sure how that's gonna play out as far as this smelling like the sun. I ain't never smelled like what the sun smelled like, but I can dig the vibes of like positive energy and stuff like that. So I really feel that. But y'all already know, man, what we're gonna do is we're gonna rock this for 24 hours. We'll come back, give you guys my full review and thoughts on it and how I feel like the scent is, how long the scent lasts on my skin, as well as with clothing. And you know, we'll just talk about compliments, if I got any compliments on it or anything like that. And you know, we'll see how it all goes. But let's go ahead. We're gonna, next time you guys see me, 24 hours after full wear. Be back with the nice little follow-up to let you guys know thoughts and opinions on this one right here. Now, I know a lot of people at first were saying that this kind of smelled pickly, like smelled like a pickle. Like a lot of people was just bashing this joint. People that got their hands on these a couple days early before the 19th last week. And you know, I gotta say, I can see where people are talking about Santel 33. I actually have a sample of that, so I tested it out. I wore that one, and then I wore this one to see what the difference was. And honestly, I like this one better. That's just me personally. I can see where they do kind of smell similar, but at the end of the day, I feel like this Lovers, man, is definitely one that's going to shine in the sun, man. If it's a nice hot day out, the scent profile of this one, I've been wearing it for a couple days now. As you guys see, it's past the 20th or the 21st. I shot the beginning of this video on the 19th when it actually came out. And man, y'all, this smells so good to me. I feel like the dry down is where it really hits on this one. The opening, yes, the opening is a little bit different, but I feel like the opening on scents is always very different from the dry down. And I feel like if you're trying this on a tester strip, it's gonna be different than putting it on your skin. Since this did release, the notes were updated online. So here's a new updated look at the notes. And all they have on here saying now is that it is a woody, warm, spicy, powdery scent. Now, I know and we know that it does have cedar wood in it. It has galbanum in it, bergamot, and the middle notes with the solar notes, man. I feel like that's where you really get that shine in the summertime and the summer heat. I like the vibes of how this one is different than all the other bottles as far as, you know, the iridescent type vibe to it, as well as the lettering on this one. It's just different, man. It's different from what you normally see on the other LV bottles. So I think that they did a great job with that. Marketing for Pharrell, of course, you know, this is his collab with Louis V. Overall, I feel like I got some good compliments. You know, I got 3 compliments straight off back. In the morning time when I first had it on, I got a compliment in the middle of the day. And I would definitely say that I got a good 8 hours plus with the scent on me. So, you know, I work a 9 to 5 and I was able to get compliments throughout the day and people asking, hey, what is that you got on? That one's a little bit different than what, you know, you had on the other day. So I'm digging the vibes of this one right here. I look forward to rocking this a little bit more during the summertime. I actually look forward to seeing how it's gonna hit in the wintertime as well on those cold days. You know, it's just one of the ones where this is what I really feel like it smells like. And I know people probably gonna be like, yo, this is a weird description of this one. But if you have ever purchased Cremo before, this is a body wash. This is the Cremo body wash. This one right here is Palo Santo. Now this smells very similar to me. Yeah, it does. It smells very similar. It's not right on key, but if you smell this and you smell this, they kind of similar. But I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I like this smell better. But you know, taking a shower with this, you know, then putting on your nice little lotions or whatever you use, if you're using like a oil, body oil or something like that, body butter for your skin, and then throwing on this scent, this is a great scent to wear before wearing this. I definitely feel like just this mixture right here is good. And you know, I don't know if y'all mess with Cremo, but Cremo has a lot of good scents when it comes to, you know, the body wash. And yeah, man, Palo Santo is what I personally would say I feel like this smells like when I just get a whiff of it. And it's funny because I took a shower and I was like, dang man, I'm still smelling the doggone Lovers, man. This joint's strong. But it's actually the actual Palo Santo by Cremo. But y'all let me know down below if you guys picked up a bottle of the Lovers, if you guys got a tester of it, if you guys like the scent, you know, do you plan on going out and getting a decant of it? If you don't have it, I know I've seen a lot of people decanting this scent right here inside of fragrance groups on Facebook. But all in all, presentation, everything, I'm happy to be able to get the Lovers scent and add this one to the collection. I actually was looking forward to adding Symphony to the collection. Now, this was not the scent that I ended up wearing on my birthday last week. I actually went with another scent that I'm gonna bring you guys in 2024. I had to pick this one up. Y'all know I normally do the sneaker videos, and I'm just now getting into doing the cologne videos. And hey, y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Big Ari getting big. She is sitting right down here or laying down here, so you might hear her chewing or something like that. I'm gonna have to give you guys the bully update because we got some more bully updates coming as well. So y'all already know, man, if you guys like sneakers, fragrances, smelling good, and all that good stuff, and if you like bullies, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, bringing all that to the channel this year, man. It is your boy, DaRetroWizKid. Until the next video, peace, love in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Get it!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom.